Hello and welcome to your Monday, October 26th weather segment. Well, after a gorgeous weekend of weather, conditions today not quite as nice, and we're going to be looking at even colder and windier weather conditions developing on Tuesday. There'll be a little bit of some light rain and snow around portions of the state as well. We'll talk about all that in just a moment. Welcome back. Here we are looking at satellite images from today. We had cloud cover across eastern and northern Wyoming for the better part of today. Our next weather maker is the cloud cover associated with a little low pressure system spinning over Idaho. It'll be moving to the east tonight and has a cold front associated with it. Now, last Friday, we also talked about Hurricane Patricia. What's left of it is now spinning over Louisiana and the northern Gulf of Mexico. Continue to produce a lot of heavy rainfall in the southeast, and over the next few days it's going to be moving to the northeast and combining forces with the cold Canadian air we'll see dropping south over the next 24 hours. Let's talk more about that now by taking a look at some surface maps. Here's a National Weather Service forecast map valid for early Tuesday morning. The low pressure we were talking about is over the state and has a trailing cold front associated with it. The blue is a little bit of some forecasted light snow. The purple is a rain-snow mix. And the light shading of green is some scattered rain showers. Early tomorrow morning and over the course of tonight, a little bit of activity mainly across northern and northwestern Wyoming and also the Snowies and Sierra Madres. As we work through the day tomorrow, the cold front is already to our south and east by about noontime. Cold Canadian air is going to be flowing in behind it. We will be looking at some light rain and even snow shower activity across the plains tomorrow with some light snow in the mountains. We'll talk more about that in a moment. Come late tomorrow, cold front well to our south, and we start to have some chilly Canadian high pressure drop in from the north. By Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, high pressure across the Cowboy State and the Rocky Mountain West. This is going to clear skies out, and tomorrow night is looking cold. Still going to have brisk northwest winds as well. Heading into Wednesday, we still have quiet weather conditions across the Rocky Mountain West. High pressure to our south will be keeping us dry. We will be cooler than average still on Wednesday. And back off to the west, you start to see some rain shower activity and moisture, and this will begin to move eastward as we head into late this week. The storm track late this week, though, is going to go south, and so will most of the moisture. And come Friday, and then for Halloween itself, here across Wyoming, we should generally be mostly dry and very nice. Let's take a look now at our detailed forecast for Tuesday across the Cowboy State. For Tuesday, your day weather forecast for rain and snow and wind calls for scattered light rain and snow showers across most of the state, all but really southwestern Wyoming. We're going to see light snow and snow showers across the northwestern, northern, central, and southern mountains. We could be looking at 1 to maybe 3 inches across the higher elevations. Light rain and snow showers from about Casper on north early to midday. A few scattered light rain and or maybe snow showers late Tuesday across southeastern Wyoming, but late tomorrow here across southeastern Wyoming, northwest winds are going to be so strong that they're going to be too strong of a downslope wind. It'll probably eat up most of the moisture, and there's just not a lot of moisture with this anyway. But take a look at winds tomorrow across the state. Pretty much along and south of I-90, I-25, northwest winds 25 to 45. West of there, west to northwest winds 20 to 40. And when you combine that with very cold temperatures, not really very cold, but much colder than it has been. It's going to be a raw, blustery day tomorrow. Temperatures below average. Pick out your location for Tuesday into Wednesday. We'll be looking at Sheridan, for example, 45 and 26 on Tuesday, 49 and 25. Casper, 47 and 27, 53 and 32. The capital city, 49 and 27 on Tuesday, 54 on Wednesday. And mountain locations just seeing highs generally in the 30s, nighttime lows, teens, and 20s. This concludes your day weather forecast for your Monday. Plan on the cold and windy conditions across the state Tuesday, along with a little bit of rain and snow.